Hi friends, I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you are enjoying this series. Today we will make this beautiful winter wonderland. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends. Let's get started. I have secured the paper with the masking tape. All the material that I will be using in this video, the links for them is mentioned below in the description. So first I am drawing the basic outlines of this landscape. So here's one tip, use your pencil or the colored pencil very lightly on the paper. Let's get started with the colors. First, give a nice wash on the upper half of the paper. Leave the huts dry, it's just for the sky section. Now I am using ultramarine blue, very light diluted color to paint the sky. Now we will start the color around the hut. So I am using deep blue. Mix a little bit of black to get the darker shade. Merge the colors nicely with the sky. Now for the left section, put some water. We will use orange, yellow and scarlet red. The right section has dried up, so we will add more darker shades. Now for the lake I will use same colors, black and deep blue. Use the tip of the brush horizontally on the paper to spread the color. To merge these lines, you can use a dry brush and spread it evenly. For the hut, we will use scarlet red. Very carefully leave the white edges. Now make the chimneys with black and add shadow. The shadow looks so lovely. With brown, start making the tree. Now use white to add snow. I do not use the white in these cakes because it's very diluted. I use watercolor tube for the white. You can use anything, poster color, any white color, white ink, anything. I'm adding stars in the sky. To add more stars, I use this technique. Put the color on the brush and tap it on your finger so the little drops fall on the paper. And I think we are done. So here is the final landscape. Hope you enjoyed the video. Friends, next tutorial will be on explicitly how to make skies and clouds. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video and share with your friends.